Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is February 2nd, 2016. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in. All right, looking at the S&P 500 E-mini futures, you're going to see that the futures are trading lower by 15 3/4 points to 19.15 3/4 per contract. Markets are under a little bit of pressure this morning. We'll see how this plays out by the end of the day. We did have a big rally on Friday, a little bit of a pause day yesterday. The markets were weak and battled back. We'll see how they perform today. But nonetheless, we are waking up to some volatility. We are also waking up to a gap down in the market. So let's see how this all shakes out and plays out. But either way, there's still lots of stocks in motion, and that's where traders can make their money. First off the bat, we're going to take a look at Alphabet, which is better known as Google. And the stock right now, we're looking at the GOOGL symbol. And what you're going to see here is stock right now is trading at $811. I am showing mathematical resistance around $849, $850 if it does get up there. So if you own Google, trail your stop loss. I would not. And I repeat, I would not be a buyer up here at these levels. So if you do own it, just trail your stop loss. Try to ride it out. If the stock can move up a little bit further, you'll move that stop loss up a little bit further. But I would not be chasing the equity up here at these high prices. All right, next we'll take a look at Mattel. MAT is the ticker symbol there. Stock is trading at $28.50, closed at $26.76. Great little pop there from Mattel. We will have gap resistance levels in the chat room for this stock right at 9 a.m. So if you have the intraday stock chat, come on over and you'll see the gap level there. If you don't have the intraday stock chat, take that 7-day free trial. We had more winning trades yesterday, and we're looking to keep that going all throughout 2016. All right, let's turn our attention now to AFLAC. AFL is the ticker symbol here, and you see the stock right now is trading at $57.34, closed at $56.51, so getting a little bit of an uptick. Again, we'll watch this one once the opening bell rings, and we'll see how that plays out. HAIN Celestial, ticker symbol is HAIN. Stock right now is trading at $35.50. I do have gap support levels for this. So again, they'll be posted up in the intraday stock chat room right at 9 a.m. Next up, we're going to take a look at APC, which is good old Anadarko Petroleum. You're going to see the stock is trading at around $38, close at $38.25. So we're not seeing much pre-market activity, but this can be a mover. We've played this many times in the intraday stock chat room. Keep this on the radar today. It will be a mover. Let's take a look at UPS. This is one of the biggest freight shippers, and what you're going to see here is the stock is trading at $96.50, closed at $94.08. So we got a nice little pop there for UPS. I will have gap resistance levels posted up in the intraday stock chat room at 9 o'clock for this equity. So UPS is in play today. We will be looking to play this one. By some chance, if the stock really fell, we'll also have levels to the downside. So again, UPS is definitely on the radar today. Let's take a look at a winner today. Michael Kors. Stock is flying high right now, trading at around $48 a share, closed at $40.44. This stock is making a nice move. We're going to have gap resistance levels for this one. But first, right off the bat, I am seeing 51.38 as some resistance, so keep that on the radar. Looking over at Ryder Systems, another freight transportation stock. You're going to see the stock right now is trading at $52.75. No volume behind it, so we're not going to make much out of it. We'll look at this one once the opening bell rings. Next up on the radar here is going to be ExxonMobil. They reported earnings today, and the stock right now is trading at around $74.81, closed at $76.29. So under a little bit of pressure, but that's a stock we trade each and every day. Come on over, trade it right alongside of us. You'll see everything that we are doing there. Dow Chemical is trading higher after earnings, although not that much. It's up about $1 from yesterday's earnings. When I look at this name right here, has a little bit more upside. If it does break lower, we will have levels there as well. So come on over, you'll trade this alongside of us. Pfizer, we have gap levels for this one. This will be posted up in the intraday stock chat room at 9 o'clock in the morning. Right now the stock is trading at $29.81. It closed at $30.17, so it's gapping down just a touch, but we're going to have some support levels for it anyway. Let's take a look at UBS. and this is a financial name that is really getting hammered today. Stock right now is trading at 15.39, closed at 16.52. So this is ugly, 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 and under pressure. And again, if you want to trade this alongside of us, come on over, take that 7-day free trial. Right now, there's not much I would do with it looking at this chart making new all-time lows. With that being said, everybody, I'm going to leave it here short and sweet. I just want to cover one more thing here. Crude oil down $1.34 today. That is certainly weighing on S&P 500 futures. Also, we have gold down about 50 cents. Not a big deal there. We'll see how this all plays out once the opening bell rings. But it's going to be another day where we have so many earnings, so many different stocks out here. We're going to get lots of action. So what all I could say is come on over, take that 7-day free trial, trade right alongside of us, and you'll see everything that we're doing. With that being said, everybody, have a great trading day, and we'll see you on the charts.